Welcome to the Riu Palace Peninsula, an awe-inspiring, unique hotel that has recently opened along Cancun's popular Golden Zone. A fiesta of color and vibrant accents adorn the enormous lobby. So take a moment to soak in the whimsical design, a new concept by Riu Hotels and Resorts. The contemporary decor and bright accents extend throughout the 562 guest rooms at the Riu Palace Peninsula. Indulge in spacious junior suites and suites with modern and thoughtful amenities, including the signature Riu liquor dispenser and hydro massage tubs. And the views from your balcony are simply spectacular. Delight in a magnificently presented and bountiful buffet with tantalizing delicacies to please all palates. Or take a culinary trip around the world at one of the resort's 5 a la carte specialty restaurants, where you can savor unlimited first-class cuisine including Mexican, Japanese, and Italian favorites. Several bars located throughout the hotel are on hand to quench your thirst at any hour of the day and night. Indulge in much-needed R&R at Renova Spa and enjoy pampering beyond your wildest dreams. Maintain your workout routine while on vacation at the fully equipped fitness center. Lounge around the property's 5 pools, including one with swim-up bar, and enjoy a fantastic beach with crystal blue water. Then, join your entertainment team for outrageous group activities in the pool or at the beach. Nightly entertainment is sure to engage and delight all ages. Enjoy humorous performances or a showcase of Mayan culture that is sure to make for a memorable evening. Riuland Kids Club is a completely supervised, kid-approved retreat, providing hours of fun for your little ones. Channel your inner Picasso at Riu Art, a new Riu concept. Create original works of art and a memorable and unique souvenir of your trip.
So here you have it, the Riu Palace Peninsula, where ultra-modern meets ultra-luxurious. Now, our only question to you is, when will we see you here?